guys, so here it is. This is the OnePlus 8T, and it is one of the best value propositions you can get currently in the UK market. It's not as good in the US of a value proposition, but here in the UK, this is an absolute steal of a deal. And so I'm going to be unboxing it in today's video, and I'll be using it as my daily driver for a couple of weeks and seeing just what this phone is all about. Also, this is the Lunar Silver model, so it's the silver version of the OnePlus 8T. In 128GB of storage and 8GB of RAM. So with that all said, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so here it is. This is the OnePlus 8T. Well, let's get this open. So here you can see this has got a open pull tab. So if we just get this with the side of my thumbnail, and then we just... Alright, and here it is, the box. It feels quite chalky and waxy. Don't know why. It's like a really quite a nice feel to the box. But yeah, let's get this baby open. Stickers. Everyone loves some stickers. There is the OnePlus 8T. Boom. Very nice. You can see the 4-camera module right there, quad cameras. We got the main, and then we got the ultra wide, depth sensor and macro. So I'll put that to one side for now, and then we'll basically just go in to see what else is in the box. So this is OnePlus's new charger. So they added this to the box of the OnePlus 8T, and this is the first OnePlus phone to charge with 65 watts. The OnePlus 8T's Warp Charge 65. Never did think I'd be saying a cable looks premium. Now it's time to unwrap this, guys. So this is the OnePlus 8T. Let's take off the plastic wrap. There you go, it's got a pre-applied screen protector, as you can see, and also the single selfie punch hole. A lot of people were confused and didn't really want it to have a dual punch hole like the Nord. But yeah, man, does this back feel nice. Oh, wow, okay, this is a really, really good feeling back. This is a frosted glass back, and it feels premium. Like, this feels really, really premium in the hand. Yeah, you also get the screen protector applied. So yeah, let's basically go ahead and turn this on, and I'll go through some of the other things, like the mute slider. Ooh, ooh, smaller than it was on the Nord, but it feels really nice still. So yeah, let's turn this baby on. So if we just... Let's also see how it fits in the case. There you go, that's what it looks like in the case, if you guys were ever wondering. And I saw a lot of reviewers didn't unbox the Lunar Silver model, but it's matte and it feels really, really good. My mum was really considering the higher spec model just because she didn't know what the silver looked like. So yeah, this is what the silver looks like, matte. It feels really, really premium. You guys will not be disappointed if you go and pick up this phone. And yeah, let's start and I'll get set up. And yeah, basically that's, I think I've gone over enough stuff on this phone, so I will be doing my first impressions video in a couple days time, so make sure you subscribe for that. And yeah, this has been the OnePlus 8T in 128GB Lunar Silver, and this has been Tech R Us, and I'll see you next one. Bye bye.